Psalm 23. The Lord is my eternal guide. I shall never be in need. He leads me to rest in the lush meadows of his peace and refreshes my soul by the still waters of his grace. He restores my strength and directs me along the sacred paths of righteousness, for his name is holy and true. Even when I walk through the shadowed valleys of uncertainty and fear, I will not be afraid, for you are with me. Your rod of protection and staff of guidance bring me comfort. You prepare a table before me in the presence of all who oppose me. You anoint my head with the oil of your favor. My cup overflows with your abundance. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever, surrounded by his eternal light and love.